everyone, welcome to another Prime S4 demo series on SAP AI. Today's topic is AI assisted EC filter using generative AI. I am Bimal Shubhagumar. I am based out of Denver, Colorado. I'll be taking you through today's demo. Today we are showcasing AI assisted EC filter. This is a recent addition to SAP product. As we mentioned in our previous sessions, in order to have AI use cases, we need to have a cloud solution available. So we are using SAP S4 and a public cloud edition to showcase this AI assisted EC filter. In our previous two demos, we were focusing on machine learning based AI use cases. And now we are moving towards generative AI based AI solutions. So in this specific feature, we can write a query in certain SAP Fiori element list report applications, and a large language model or natural language model interprets this query and apply the filters. So this is what we are going to showcase. In this demo, we will showcase 3-4 apps across sales orders or OTC and purchase orders, procure to pay, and outbound processes in warehouse and maybe some transportation apps, and see how this AI assisted EC filter works and how it applies filters on it. So typically the business benefits are easier understanding of these applications, and then accelerating this filter used by users, and improved productivity and increased satisfaction of end users. So these are some of the business benefits. It is easy to apply filters rather than going into each of the fields and then applying filters individually. Now, since this is an AI feature, additional entitlement is required for our test system. We have got the entitlement free for till December, but it is a paid service in future. And the feature is powered by generative AI, so we need to make sure that we are adhering to the compliance framework of our company, and also feature does not provide technical capabilities to support collection, processing, and storage of personal data. So these are some general guidelines for AI to use AI features. So now let me go take you to the demo. So currently I'm going into the system, and I'm logging into the S4HANA public cloud system. So first I will go through some of the sales order apps. So I can go to manage sales order version 2. This is the first tab. So it is loading. 1 second. Yeah. So this button actually provides the option to provide AI assisted EC filter. Currently we have the normal filter available. So I just click on this AI assisted EC filter. Now I can write a query. So for example, I will say all SOs delivered, or I can say all SOs delivered. I can click on that. So now this will provide all the list in the sales order app, and it says that the delivery status has fully delivered. So it helps us to filter it rather than going into the other option and manually putting the delivery status as delivered and doing. So similarly, we can add multiple options. For example, something I have already used before was all SOs to be delivered by 15th June. So if I go and see all the orders with the requested delivery date, till 15th June is already selected. Now, in addition to this, we can actually go back to the other view. It is the same filter is applied here, and then we can save it as a view, and then we can reuse it. So this helps us to actually identify the filters much more faster. Otherwise, we'll have to go and search for which filter we need to put what, right? So we can just write one-line queries like this, and the filters will be applied automatically. Similarly, we can go to manage purchase orders app also. There also we can. So let's load. Yeah. So we have this option available, and I'm just using all purchase orders created by 2025. It's all POs created. So creation date, it automatically applies 5/31/2025. So anything which is created before the 25 shows up, right? Again, it understands 31st is the last date in May and puts a less than or equal to sign. And in this scenario, I see that a lot of standard POs and transportation services POs are there. So I can even put all standard POs. So if I type that, it actually reads it and only shows all purchase orders with document type standard PO. So that way it will filter it. And later on, if I come here, those filters will be applied automatically here. And then we can save it as a view. And this is how we can build the filters very fast. Now, the third one which I wanted to show is the warehouse scenario. So these are applicable only for Fiori list element report. So if you see, this is an old warehouse transaction run outbound process. It does not have that AI assisted EC filter. But if I go to the new version, so there is a new version for this app, it has that. So I can go and use that here. And here also I can create a warehouse value, right? This warehouse is only for 1750. That is the warehouse that we have in the system. And yeah, so once we apply that, then we can select that. That's a mandatory field. But I can come here and say all documents departing after April 2025, and I can click on go. So it will give us all the orders which are to be, all the documents which are in to be with the departure date in May and further. And once you go there, we can do all the warehouse operations like create task and all. Some of these things are already delivered, but yeah, so this is another easy way to do it. So as I mentioned, it has to be this AI assisted EC filter is only for a certain list of applications, predominantly Fiori list element applications. And the last one, I can show one demo on transportation scenario also, right? For example, manage freight orders. This is a common one where I can go and say that, okay, all road FOs, right? I'll say I just want to see all the freight documents which are on road. So it automatically understands it is transportation road. The filter applied is road on transportation mode, and I can see all the road FOs. Similarly, if I can type something like all FOs which are not executed, right? So that is like it is still under execution or about to be executed. It automatically applies multiple filters and not apply the executed filter. So this is one of the way to use AI assisted EC filter. And if you have any other questions, please reach out to us at contact@primespo.com. Thank you for your time.